Everyone thinks battery EVs are the absolute future of trucks. They're wrong. While the world was distracted by heavy, slow-charging batteries, Toyota quietly built this. The 2027 Hilux hydrogen fuel cell. This isn't a concept. Anymore, it's a direct threat to everything we know about high-value manufacturing and utility vehicles. And wait until you see what's hidden right under the hood. Look at this layout. Traditional diesels are gone. Instead, Toyota has engineered a masterclass in high-value packaging. Right in the center sits the solid-state hydrogen fuel cell stack. It takes compressed H2, mixes it with oxygen from the front intake, and feeds raw electricity directly to a high-output electric traction motor. The result? Zero emissions, zero lag. And instead of waiting 45 minutes at a charging station with a massive, heavy battery pack that ruins your payload capacity, you fill this up with hydrogen in less than 5 minutes. It's got the legendary, bulletproof reliability of a Hilux, built for a zero-carbon world. Step inside, and it doesn't feel like a rugged work truck anymore. It's a tech hub. The custom digital dash tracks your H2 levels and energy flow in real time. Toyota is betting billions that this not batteries is how heavy manufacturing survives the green revolution. But it leaves us with one massive question. Will truck buyers actually give up their diesel engines for hydrogen? Drop your thoughts in the comments right now. I'm replying to everyone today. If you want to see how this powertrain handles the ultimate off-road test, click the video on your screen right now. See you there.